Hello everybody, today I'm going to be doing the next part of the Java tutorial. I know it's been a while. I didn't actually, it's been a while since I've uploaded. It's currently 1:30 a.m. and I thought, why not make this video? And I know I'm really late and it's been 7 days since I've uploaded on this channel, and I'm really sorry about that. Now it's like, I think maybe even 8 days, but I'm going to be doing this new video, and it's going to be on printing techniques. And what do I mean by printing techniques? Now, to be honest, I don't know if that's the actual name, but that's what I like to call it. So this is the program that we dealt with in part 1. If not, I'll have it show up right now, I hope. About at the 1 minute mark, looks like. So what we're going to do is I'm gonna show you guys some simple ways to add some flair. Not really flair, but add some other things to your sentence. So let's say, so first let's start with this. Now this is actually a legal statement in Java as well. Now you might have noticed that in the first episode I did system.out.println, ln short for line, but you can also take out the ln and you'll get, if I run it using the green play button, we get hello world. Now what's the difference between this and if I put back the ln? Now you'll notice that my cursor actually ended up on the next line. Now let me go back to print. Now you'll notice that I cannot put my cursor there because it hasn't gone to that line. So what print does is, what it'll do is it won't make you automatically go to the next line. So if I do system.out.print, and by the way, a cool little trick here, if you're on Windows, you can do you can type in sysout like this, and then do control space. Then you get a system.out.print line. So what we're going to do, I'm going to do system.out.print, and we're going to do and family. Now make a prediction now. Will it print hello world and family on one line, the whole thing, or will it be on two separate lines? Based on what I've told you so far, what will it be? Let's make sure you don't see that. And so I'm going to run it right now. Hopefully we made your prediction. And we get it all in one line. What if I were to do ln? What would I get now? We would get it on two separate lines. So that's one thing you can do. There's another thing called printf, but that's pretty complicated, so I'm not going to cover it in this video. But there are a few other things, just small little tidbits that you should know about. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to do Control D, and you can cross out a line. I'm on Windows right now, so if it doesn't work for you on Mac, there's probably a different command. So system.out.println, what we're going to do, let's say we wanted to surround this, like so. Let's reprint this. We get hello world, and let's say we wanted to print this out with quotations. We want to put quotations on the other end. Now you might notice that quotations are what dictate what's being printed. So how do we put quotations? Can we just put in quotations like this? According to Eclipse, my IDE, I can't. So this isn't working. So how would I fix this problem? What I would do, I'd use something called backslash. I'd use the backslash. Okay. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to type in the quotation. and the quotation on this side right here. Now notice that there's no error, but what will happen when I run? Will this be what it prints out? Will it print out backslash quotation hello world backslash quotation? No, it'll actually print out with quotations hello world. So that's a little tidbit in case you want to put in quotation marks. You actually have to put in this thing. Another one that's quite useful as well is, so we have to put in the quotations. And another one, this one is, let's say we were doing, let's do print hello everybody, and let's say we wanted to put it on a different line, but we wanted to keep it in this thing. So let's say we wanted things on separate lines, but we wanted to put it all in this statement. We wanted to put everything in this statement. We could do two separate lines. So let me show you what I mean. Let's say, so right now it shows up on two different lines, but notice that we had to write two separate lines to write this. What if I wanted to do this on one line? What would I do here? Well, there's actually a tidbit for that too. I won't be covering all of these. There are more like this, but these are the ones that I can come up with at the top of my head at 1:43 a.m. So what \n will do is it will actually add another line. Now, if we remove the print line, you can see this a bit better. Now, if you guys remember, what print does is it does not allow the next thing to go to the next line. \n, this basically puts another line. So, hello world was printed on one line, hello everybody was printed on the second line. I feel like this video is a bit longer than it should have been to explain \n, quotation marks, and print, but I hope this helped you guys understand how to print lines in Java, and thank you guys for watching.